Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day. Today I am doing an animal that I have never done, and it's actually one of my friends, Valerie and Miss Valerie at a sewing studio here in town. We do a lot of events together and we share ideas all the time, and she was telling me about her hippo project that she has, her little hippo kit, and it was so cute, and she couldn't believe I had never done a hippo. So today we are making a hippo drawing. So to start our hippo, I'm actually gonna start with the head, but it's gonna be kind of towards one side of your paper or your canvas, whatever you're working on, because we need to have room for the body on the other side. So to start my hippo, I am just going to draw like an oval shape, like that. And this is where our hippo's mouth is going to go. So before I even get into the mouth, I'm gonna go ahead and draw the rest of the head. So the head is gonna be above this, and it's just gonna be like a U shape, like that. So now we've got kind of like the snout, and this is gonna be like where the eyes go. And I'm gonna start with the mouth. So the mouth is actually kind of swoopy. It's gonna swoop a little bit and swoop like that. So it's just gonna be kind of like a swoop swoop. And then because it's the mouth, I'm gonna have two little square teeth poking out of each of those bumps. And then I'm gonna be ready for the nose holes. So I'm gonna draw a little nose hole here and a little nose hole here. And then hippos, their nostrils kind of stick up a little, so I'm just gonna do like a little hint of like the top of that nostril. And then we're ready for eyes, and you guys know how much I love my big, cutie, sparkly eyes. So I'm gonna draw two really big, sparkly eyes, like this. So cute. And hippos have little ears. They're just like little ears like this. They're not very big. Although I still like to put my little pinky middle. I always add those pinky middles to my ears. So just two little ears on top of the head, and then you put the little pinky middle inside. And then to start the hippo's body, I'm actually gonna do the back first. So hippos are really big round, guys. I'm gonna go kind of like this. And then I'm gonna do this. So it's kind of like for the back, it's like long and then curved. And then for this other side of the body, it's just like a straight line. And they're kind of like short to the ground. Like I know they're really big animals, but like I don't want their legs to be like super long because that would not look like a hippo. They're still kind of very compact. So then after we have this, I'm gonna do like a little rounded line here and a little rounded line here. And then I'm gonna do a teeny rainbow, like that, just a teeny arch. And then I'm gonna do another round line like that. Another little like curved line like this. And then I'm gonna do a line up, like that. I'm gonna do a line up, like that. So now we've got the two front legs, and we've got a back leg. And then we're gonna kind of connect it with a little belly, like this. And then hippo's toes, I like to do them kind of like my elephant toes. 1, 2, 3 little swoops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm not gonna draw the fourth leg. Like I know hippos have a fourth leg, but I like to think that the other leg is kind of behind this leg, like you can't see it. So it's like kind of hidden. And then hippos, I think they have a little tail. So I'm gonna draw just like a teeny little tail, like that. So there's our hippo. Now hippos, I know in real life they're gray, but I typically like to think of them as like a color, like all my animals. So I would do, like you can do a pink hippo. I'm gonna do like kind of a light blue because it's kind of close to a gray color. And with hippos, I pretty much color them all the same color. So I will not color the teeth, obviously, like I'll leave those white because I don't want them to have blue teeth. But the rest of this, I'm gonna go ahead and color like just one color, like this. Now you guys can get kind of fancy with shading if you want, and I'll show you a little bit how to do that. The other thing, oh, you know what? The other thing I like to do is I always like to add my little pinky middles to the eyes, or to the eyes, to the ears. I like my little pinky middles. And then the other part of the ear is gonna be this light blue color like this. And then sometimes I'll put like a little shading, like when animals are like all the same color, like I'll add a little bit. See how I'm pushing a little darker so that this looks a little more three-dimensional. So it looks like the snout is like sticking out further because it's a little bit lighter shade. So here, so it's like light, and then I just put like I push a little harder where these two surfaces meet. And I'm gonna do like the same thing here. So the whole body, and I'm going really fast, you guys go slow, but the whole body is gonna be this exact same color like this. So it's just gonna be like so much of the same color that sometimes I like to switch it up a little bit and like add some little shadows. So here, like the whole thing is this light blue. So sometimes like I will like add a little bit of shadow where these surfaces come together. So underneath the hippo's face, I'm gonna make it a little bit more shadowy in here. Just because you feel like if he's kind of leaning over, this part of his body will be a little bit shadowed like this. And then it'll be, or maybe even like down on his belly. Maybe down here there's a little shadow because it's like underneath, or maybe on the side here. And then you've got your tail. And your toes, you can leave them white. I think it'd be kind of funny to make it look like the hippo maybe painted its toenails. So I'm gonna do pink toes. Kind of crazy. I like it. I got pink toenails on my hippo. All right, there you have it, guys. So there's our hippo. Really, really fun idea to draw. And again, I will be posting these art videos every single day at 1 p.m. So thank you for drawing hippos with me today. And I hope that you will be back and drawing with me again tomorrow.